where we are here in Arizona, Phoenix, the state of Arizona has made air conditioning. They listed the products that have changed the state. And so there's a list of 10 products that, made Arizona a great state. Air conditioning is the number 4 product.
Wow.
You can't settle the valley here without air conditioning.
Right.
So they credit air conditioning as one of the mechanisms that allowed the valley here to grow, because you could build commercial buildings and air condition them. Back in the day when we were using swamp coolers, you really just couldn't build and develop the way you can. So,
Right.
yeah, to your point. And then I think a second point is, while the foundation is doing its part, our contractors need to understand how important it is for their image, their pricing strategy, their ability to train and put technology in technicians' hands and really get people the best in class training. If you're charging too little, you can't do that. You can't afford to do that.